extremely, extraordinary. We'd better do something about that, then. Hadn't we? Yes, agreed Mr. Sneeze, not quite knowing what the wizard was talking about. How far away is this place called, what is it? Cold Land? Asked the wizard. Oh, it's miles and miles and miles away, replied Mr. Sneeze. In which direction? Asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. Oh, it shouldn't take long, said the wizard, who then waved his wand and muttered some magic words, which wouldn't be magic if you knew what they were. Whatever those magic words were, they worked. For you can... What was that? What was that? Shrieked Mr. Jelly. It's a lion. I heard it growl. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, dear me, a lion, a huge lion with enormous teeth. With enormous sharp teeth that's going to bite me in two. A huge, ferocious lion with enormous sharp teeth that's going to bite me in two, if not three. He fainted. All this commotion awakened the tramp, who yawned. He thought he'd go for a walk. He was walking through the woods which surround his house, when a worm poked its head out of the ground. Morning, said the worm cheerfully. Mr. Jelly nearly jumped out of his skin. What? Who's there? Then he saw the worm. Oh, what happened? It's a snake. Snake, man-eating snake. Oh, I'm going to be eaten alive. What's a cold? Asked Mr. Sneeze. A cold is what you catch when you're too cold, said the wise old wizard, wisely. Oh, said Mr. Sneeze. But I come from a country called Cold Land, where everybody's too cold all the time. Nonsense, snorted the wizard. Can't be too cold all the time, because of the sun. He pointed to the sun, which was smiling in the sky. But we don't have any sun in Cold Land, said Mr. Sneeze. No sun, exclaimed the wizard. He went. Back through the woods he went. He was walking through the woods when he stepped on a little twig. Snap! Twig. Mr. Jelly jumped twice his own height in terror. What's that? He shrieked. A terrible snapping noise. It's a tree falling down. It's going to crush me to pieces. It's a crocodile hiding in the bushes, snapping his teeth. Then he stopped.